Hello, this video is to show you how to effectively use our BigIdeasMath.com ebook. So if you can click on your BigIdeasMath.com and go ahead and log in. And then, so this is the screen you normally see when you log into Big Ideas. We're used to seeing or going to the Assignments tab. So for my classes right now, we don't have anything upcoming, but we do have a few students that owe some. So always double check that overdue tab. But for today, we're going to go back to the Resources tab. And under the Resources, I want you to find the icon titled Student Dynamic eBook. Now, you won't have this many options when you open that up. I have the teacher account, so just click on your Algebra 1 textbook. And this allows you to have the textbook almost like as a hard copy textbook, which I don't think we use enough of, but we could try to use it some more. If you look on the left-hand side, there is a table of contents. So if you look down there, those are all the sections or chapters that we've covered this year. And we do go in order of our ebook. So we're going to start or go to Chapter 7. That's the current chapter we're on now, Polynomial Equations and Factoring. If you click that plus sign, it'll show you all the sections of that chapter. So we've covered 7.1, 7.2, and 7.3. If you click on 7.1, here's your textbook pages. And if you click those arrows on the side, it just flips right through the textbook. You can zoom in and you can zoom out. So in 7.1, it talked about degree, classifying polynomials, adding and subtracting, and some real-life problems. So here you can zoom in. It gives some examples. But what I do like about our ebook is all these little play buttons. So it's another opportunity for you to see problems completed. So if you look down on the bottom there, number 2, 7c to the third d squared, it says find the degree. So if you click that play button, it'll give you your answer.
Find the monomial, 7c to the third power times d to the second power. Notice that the exponent of c is 3 and the exponent of d is 2. So the degree of the monomial is 3 plus 2, or 5.
So those videos are super short and super robotic, but they're pretty to the point, so we can utilize those too while we're away. Over here, they talk about standard form, degree, types of polynomials, constant term, leading coefficient. So those are good examples to look at. In a little while, you're going to be doing a Canvas quiz on like a scavenger hunt of your ebook. We did adding and subtracting. And then there's a couple real life problems. Now, some of these problems you might be familiar with already if you saw them from your ebook assignments. And then it goes right to section 2 or 7.2, multiplying polynomials. When we did multiplying polynomials, we did the distributing method or we did a table. So we really didn't cover much or talk about the FOIL method. Which is on page 367. We covered problems from example 1 or example 2. And there are some examples there. Okay. 7.3 is special products, and that's where we talked about squaring a binomial. So notice how the page numbers are listed on the bottom. That's an important piece. The section and the example numbers. So keep that in mind, and you're going to have a little scavenger hunt quiz coming up. Okay? Have a good little time off here.